Blake, you did a nice job vacuuming. Oh, did Alfie want to help? Is Alfie helping vacuum? Good job. Good job vacuuming.
I want to watch it.
Just a minute. Good job getting under the table. That's a real good job. Are you all done? Are you all done? Can you help her, Connor? Thank you, Connor. That was so nice to help.
Stand in the back.
Connor, you were really nice to help her.
Chop. I won.
Hey, I know. It's okay that he's sitting there. He can sit there because you're vacuuming. Oh, are you done vacuuming now? You want help turning it off? Can you help her, Connor? You're so smart. Hey, he's just helping. Say thank you, Connor. He just helped you. That was nice to help her, Connor.
Help.
You want help? Say thank you, Connor. You are so good, Connor.